Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial for Rhinoceros. Today we will see 2D drawing, layout and Make2d. So let's begin. 2D drawing in Rhino it's very easy and it works pretty much as in any other CAD software. To draw you can select from a variety of tools. The most used commands are line, polyline, chamfer, fillet, offset, trim, point zone, move, rotate and mirror, among others that you can test from the Curve Tools tab. Once you type the command, you will have some options to choose. Then go with the mouse to place the initial position, then set the direction and the next position, radius or second corner. To be more precise, you can also input numerical information according to the X, Y, Z coordinates in the command line. If you see that there are some elements that are repeating many times, like a type of window, tree, people, silhouette, cars, etc., you can also create blocks out of these 2D elements. But be sure that they are all flat in the Z-plane, and for that you can use the command project to Z-plane. To create hatches, type hatch and select a closed polyline you want to fill. You can also use the curve boolean command. First you select the line work and then you can pick the areas you want to hatch. Then a polyline defining the area you picked will be created. And this you can use for the hatching. And in the properties window you can specify the scale or rotation. By the way, I will leave in the description below some links where you can find extra hatches. You just have to download them in the Rhino options window, like this. Dimensions and text. You will find the dimensions tools on the drafting tab. Here it's important to define the right scale in your workspace, as well as in the layout where the drawing will be placed. To place the dimension lines, you have to specify 2 location points of a distance, for angles 2 lines, and for radius select the curves. You can also specify the annotation styles with a given scale and units. There are some predefined styles that you can use, or make a copy and edit them so it fits you. For example, with a 1 to 50 scale in meters or 1 to 10 in millimeters for detailed drawings. These styles will rule how the text and dimensions are being represented. You can add text by typing text in the command line, obviously, and assign them to a predefined style. And here a cool tool. If you type find text, a new window will open that will help you to find missing text or replace it. Another type of text is the object text. These are outlines of a font and cannot be edited like the normal text, but they can be transformed into geometry by using the extruding tool, like this. And here a tip, don't forget to have different layers for the dimensions, hatches and text. Now let's take a look at Make2d. With this command you can generate 2D drawings of geometries from any given camera position. Just type the Make2d command, select the geometries, find a position with the mouse, then a window will open where you can specify the elements of the line work to be produced, like hidden lines, silhouettes, tangent edges and so on. You can also specify if you want to keep the source layers. Then press OK, and the drawing will be placed in the Z-plane, in a new layer called Make2d. A faster way of getting a set of drawings would be to select in the Make2d window the third angle projection or the first angle projection. This generates a set of 4 drawings, 2 side views, a plan and a perspective view. Now layouts. Type layout in the command line and a new window will open. Here you can specify the layout you want to be using or create a custom one. This will be created and you will be able to see this in the layout manager here on the right. And here also you can add more and rename them. To add views on the layout, type detail, then select add, and by drawing a rectangle you will get a view from the top. Then you have to set the scale and find the area of the view that you want to show. You can also copy this detail view to select other areas. And you can keep adding detail views manually, also maybe from other views like here by choosing right, and again set the scale, find the area of interest, and perhaps use a different display mode. You can turn on and off the layers of each individual detail view. Let's turn off the dimension lines here by turning off this icon that looks like a star, and then create the detail view. Once you are done, turn on again this symbol, otherwise the next detail view will also have this layer off. And if you double click inside each view, you will be able to see which layers are on and off. So now you know what this star symbol does. If you have lots of layouts, it is advisable to work with title blocks as 2D blocks for the different formats you may have. Then you can copy them everywhere you need them. From the document user text, which you find in options, it is possible to link text information, like the project number or the project name, in the title block by using text fields. Just choose this function symbol and then look for the value you want to link, like this. And the same for specific information from the layout user text, also using a text field. Or just use a normal text for manual editing, like here with my special client. Important is that everything is contained in a block, so at the end you are able to input the values without opening each block. Remember that these values will be only linked if you define them first in each layout, otherwise you will have this hashtag symbol. Once you have set up your layout, go to the menu window of the viewport top left and check the print preview. Then you will be able to see how everything will be printed. For adjustments, go to the layers, and here you can change the line type, the print color, the width of the lines as it better fits your drawing. For example, walls with thicker lines and dimensions with thinner lines. And here a tip, go to options and in hatch and check enable hatch scale. By doing so, you will have the same scale of the hatches in the workspace and in the layout. And in line types, check the box use model units, and again you will keep the scale of the lines in both workspace and layouts. Once you are done with the line adjustments, type print and the printing window will open. Here you can specify some settings for your printing, like the orientation, the print color, and even print multiple layouts by clicking here and selecting the layouts you want to print. One important adjustment has to do with the line width, where you can scale the line width of the whole drawing. Now, there are two types of outputs, vector and raster. Vector means that the drawings will be processed as vector graphics, and this can be scaled without losing the quality, which then you can further edit in programs like Illustrator or Affinity. And if you choose raster, then the results can't be edited, and the quality of the image is determined by the size of the layout. You can also export the line work directly from any given viewport without having any layout. For that, there are many optional formats like DVG, DXF or Illustrator file. Then you have to specify the scale and some other settings like the color type, the hatch type, the layer order, and so on. If you exported the files to Illustrator or Photoshop, then you can make further modifications like maybe change the line types, change the line thickness, add fillings, maybe add more line work, add color textures, and so on. I mean, with these programs you can really elevate the graphic style of your drawings. And that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If so, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Take care. Ciao. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.